Hello guys and welcome to
Kaliko TV.
Ang topic natin for today is about preparing hand tools and how to use the hand tools. So ano nga ba ang tool? So a tool is an object used to extend the ability of an individual to modify features of the surrounding environment. Ginagamit natin ang tools to have an assurance that our work is properly done with safety. So we have basic hand tools. First is driving tools. So under driving tools, meron tayong screwdriver, and under screwdriver we have slotted screwdrivers, Phillips screwdriver, and jeweler's screwdriver set. We have soldering tool, and under soldering tool we have soldering iron, soldering tool stand, and the soldering pump. Under splicing tools, we have long nose, side cutter, and wire stripper. We have boring tools, and under it, we have 12 volts mini drill and portable electric drill. And last but not the least, cutting tools, under it, utility knife and hacksaw. Ang una sa mga hand tools na pag-uusapan natin ay ang driving tools. So, meron tayo dito ang screwdriver. And ang unang klase ng screwdriver ay ang slotted screwdrivers. So, itong example ng slotted screwdriver or yung tinatawag na flat screwdriver. So, these screwdrivers have a chisel shape blade which spans the width of a screw's head. So, ginagamit siya sa flat na or minus sign na tornilyo. Okay? So, hindi natin siya pwedeng gamitin sa may plus na slot kasi malulose thread ang tornilyo na ito. So, we have Phillips screwdriver. So, itong example ng Phillips. So, ang kaibahan niya sa slotted screwdriver is siya naman ay may plus or naka-plus sign ang dulo. Okay? Phillips, generically called cross recess, crosshead, or cross point. This screwdriver drives recessed screw head or the one with a cross slot head, more stable than of slotted screwdriver. And meron naman tayong jeweler's screwdriver set. So, itong example ng jeweler's screwdriver set. So, kung mapapansin natin, unlike the two screwdriver, flat and Phillips, ito ay mas maliliit. So, usually, it comes in a set of small screwdrivers composed of slotted and Phillips screwdrivers. So, they are used for small screws which are common in electronic circuits. Sometimes, this set is called precision screwdrivers. So, ang common use nito is sa pag-aayos ng relo, cellphones, kasi meron siyang maliliit na screw. So, meron naman tayong soldering tool. So, under soldering tool, we have soldering iron. So, itong example ng soldering iron. So, this is an instrument to melt the solder in attaching two electronic components. So, a soldering iron is composed of a heated metal tip and an insulated handle. In electronics, we usually solder wires, terminals, and other electronic components. A low power iron, 20 to 30 watts, is suitable for this work. Soldering iron ay may iba-ibang wattage. So, sa beginner, recommended na wattage is 20 to 30 watts. So, meron din tayong 40 watts, 60 hanggang 100 watts. So, next is soldering tool stand. So, ito ang example ng soldering tool stand. So, it is a place where the soldering iron is placed during usage. So, this will keep the soldering iron away from flammable materials. The stand often comes with a sponge used in cleaning the tip of the soldering iron. So, kapag pinapartner tong soldering tool stand sa soldering iron, kapag ginagamit natin siya, ilalagay natin yung soldering iron dito sa stand para maiwasan natin na dumikit yung soldering iron kasi umiinit yun na parang plancha. Para maiwasan natin dumikit yun sa mga flammable materials kagaya ng plastic, wood, and paper. Next is desoldering pump. So, itong example ng desoldering pump. So, it is used to desolder or remove a solder from the circuit for replacement of electronic parts. So, pinapartner to guys to remove, halimbawa, nagka-error ka sa or may papalitan kang piyesa sa electronics. So, gagamitan natin siya ng desoldering pump para matanggal yung specific na component. So, hihigupin niya yung solder na nakadikit doon sa terminals. So, we have splicing tools. Under splicing tools, meron tayong long nose. Ay, hindi to. So, this is an example of a long nose. So, it is used for holding, bending, and stretching the lead of electronic component or connecting wires. And we have side cutter. So this is an example of a side cutter. So from its structure, it is a wire cutting pliers, though they are not used to grab or turn anything but are used to cut wires. So ang pinaka main function ng side cutter is to cut wires. So meron naman tayo ditong wire stripper. So itong example ng wire stripper. So it is a pair of opposing blades much like scissors or wire cutters. The addition of a center notch makes it easier to cut the insulation without cutting the wire. Next tool is the boring tools. Under boring tools, meron tayong 12 volts mini drill. So ito example ng mini drill. So it is used to bore or drill holes in the printed circuit board with sizes from 1/32 inch to 1/16 inch. So ito ang common na ginagamit sa electronics para magbutas ng tinatawag natin na PCB, kung saan dito nilalagay ang mga components para makabuo tayo ng circuit. And meron naman tayong portable electric drill. So itong example niya, mas malaki siya ng konti and mas powerful compared doon sa mini drill. So it is used for boring holes in plastic or metal chassis with the use of drill bits having sizes from 1/6 inches to approximately 1/4 inch. Okay, meron naman tayong cutting tools. Under this cutting tool is utility knife. Itong example ng utility knife. It is a common tool used in cutting various trades and crafts for a variety of purposes. In electronics, ginagamit ang utility knife to design the PCB or yung tinatawag natin na PCB layouting. Meron naman tayong hacksaw. So itong example ng hacksaw. It is used for cutting metals. Some have pistol grips which keep the hacksaw firm and easy to grip. The small handheld hacksaws consist of a metal arc with a handle that fits around a narrow, rigid blade.
Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang preparation of tools at ang mga dapat na tandaan bago mag-perform ng isang task or work.
Number 1, avoid touching all energized electrical circuits. So, ang ibig sabihin nito guys, if ever na mag-troubleshoot tayo or magre-repair, so iwasan natin na hawakan ang mga energized na electrical circuits kagaya ng television. Pag binaklas natin yung board, iwasan nating hawakan ng bare hands ang mga components doon kasi there are components in electronics that stores energy. So, pwedeng dumaloy sa atin yung naka-store na energy doon and ma-aksidente tayo.
Or use PPE instead, or personal protective equipment.
Next, be sure to unplug all electrical equipment before working on it. So, bakit? Kasi, para maiwasan natin ang short circuit or baka may magkamali tayong hawak or tusok sa part ng appliances, pwede itong sumabog or pwede mag-short circuit or pwedeng dumaloy sa atin yung kuryente na present sa appliance. Next, bring out only what you need. So, kailangan organize tayo. For example, magre-repair ka, magtatanggal ka lang ng tornilyo. So, kailangan, ang ilalabas lang natin na tool is para lang doon sa activity na gagawin natin. So, kung magtatanggal tayo ng tornilyo, kailangan natin, ang ilabas lang natin is yung screwdrivers. Okay? Or yung driving tools. So, hindi kailangan doon yung mga pliers and other yung boring tools. Next, assure that your tools are in good condition. So, before working on it, kailangan nating i-check ang condition ng ating tools. Meron ba tong putput na ba ang ngipin nito? Or yung handle ba nito is okay pa? Wala pa ba tong kalawang or hindi pa siya nagwawagaw? So, para maiwasan natin ang aksidente. Sort your tool and equipment before working. Okay, kailangan organize din ang ating mga tools para madali natin itong mahanap. For example, ilagay natin sa iisang lugar ang boring tools, cutting tools, pagsasamay natin, driving tools, and others. Okay? So, ang purpose lang nito is para maging organized tayo and to lessen the time ng paghahanap ng tools na kailangan natin.
Mind sharp and pointed tools. So, in working, kailangan nating maging vigilant sa mga sharp and pointed tools kasi mostly ito yung pinagmumula ng aksidente. So, make sure of the voltage rating. Kailangan basahin natin ang voltage rating ng equipment or appliance na i-work natin because sometimes may mga equipment na mas mababa ang rating kesa doon sa voltage na present sa mga outlets natin. So kapag ito ay pinlug in natin sa 220 volts, halimbawa may 110 na rating sa appliance or equipment, ang mangyayari dyan is madadamage siya and masisira. Follow instructions. Following instructions can simplify tasks, increase effectiveness, eliminate confusion, and save time. Be vigilant. In electronics, kailangan mindful ka kapag nag-work because may mga tools tayo that may harm us, kagaya ng soldering tools. Kapag nadikit ang soldering tools sa flammable materials, pwede itong mag-cause ng sunog or pwede tayong mapasok nito. Have a plan ahead of time. Or by planning ahead, you become proactive and foresee issues or roadblocks that may come your way and therefore plan the actions to avoid the roadblocks or face them confidently. I hope you like our topic for today and see you sa next video. Goodbye!